Welcome back to NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Now here is your first question. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in human blood plasma? The correct answer is C, albumin. Albumin constitutes about 55 to 60% of plasma proteins and helps maintain osmotic pressure and transport various substances in blood. Next question. The percentage of formed elements in the total volume of blood is approximately. The correct answer is B, 45%. Formed elements, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets, constitute about 45% of total blood volume, known as the hematocrit value. The remaining 55% is plasma. Next question. Serum differs from blood in lacking. The correct answer is D, clotting factors. Serum is the fluid left after blood clotting. During clot formation, clotting factors, especially fibrinogen, are used up, so they are absent in serum. Next question. Which plasma protein is primarily involved in the defense mechanism of the body? The correct answer is A, globulins. Globulins, especially gamma globulins, immunoglobulins, function as antibodies and play a key role in the body's immune defense. Next question. The pH of healthy human blood is. The correct answer is C, 7.4. Normal human blood is slightly alkaline, with a pH range of 7.35 to 7.45, maintained by buffer systems like bicarbonate buffer. Next question. The process of formation of RBCs is called. The correct answer is D, erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis is the process of RBC formation, which mainly occurs in the red bone marrow and is regulated by the hormone erythropoietin from kidneys. Next question. What is the average lifespan of an RBC? The correct answer is D, 120 days. Red blood cells circulate for about 120 days before being destroyed, mainly in the spleen and liver. Next question. Which organ is known as the graveyard of RBCs? The correct answer is A, spleen. The spleen destroys old and damaged RBCs, so it is called the graveyard of RBCs. Next question. Erythropoietin hormone, which stimulates RBC production, is secreted by. The correct answer is B, kidney. Erythropoietin, EPO, is secreted mainly by the kidneys in response to low oxygen levels and stimulates erythropoiesis in the bone marrow. Next question. In which of the following animals are RBCs nucleated? The correct answer is C, frog. RBCs are nucleated in non-mammals such as frogs, birds, reptiles, and fishes. In mammals, humans, dogs, camels, RBCs are enucleated. Next question. Vitamin required for the maturation of RBCs is. The correct answer is B, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, is essential for DNA synthesis and maturation of RBCs. Its deficiency leads to megaloblastic anemia. Next question. Which of the following are the most abundant WBCs in human blood? The correct answer is A, neutrophils. Neutrophils constitute about 60–70% of total WBCs and are the first line of defense against bacterial infections. Next question. Which WBCs are known as macrophages of the blood? The correct answer is A, monocytes. Monocytes are called the macrophages of the blood because they migrate into tissues and differentiate into macrophages, where they perform phagocytosis. Next question. Allergic reactions are associated with an increase in. The correct answer is C. Eosinophils. Eosinophils increase during allergic reactions and parasitic infections. They help regulate allergic inflammation. Next question. Which leukocytes produce antibodies? The correct answer is B. Lymphocytes. B lymphocytes differentiate into plasma cells, which produce antibodies. Hence, lymphocytes are responsible for humoral immunity. Next question. The least abundant leukocytes in the blood are. The correct answer is A. Basophils. Basophils make up less than 1% of total WBCs. They are involved in allergic reactions by releasing histamine and heparin. Next question. Platelets are also known as. The correct answer is D. Thrombocytes. Platelets are small cell fragments involved in blood clotting, and they are also called thrombocytes. Next question. A reduction in platelet count is called. The correct answer is B. Thrombocytopenia. A decrease in platelets is known as thrombocytopenia, which can cause easy bleeding and bruising. Next question. The enzyme that converts fibrinogen to fibrinase. The correct answer is A. Thrombin. Thrombin converts fibrinogen, soluble, into fibrin, insoluble, forming a blood clot. Next question. The clotting vitamin is. The correct answer is C. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of several clotting factors, like prothrombin. Deficiency leads to bleeding disorders. Next question. Which factor initiates the intrinsic pathway of blood clotting? The correct answer is B. Factor 12. The intrinsic pathway begins when factor 12, Hageman factor, is activated by contact with damaged blood vessel surface or foreign surfaces. Next question. The ABO blood grouping is based on the presence or absence of surface antigens on. The correct answer is C. RBC membrane. ABO blood groups depend on antigens, A or B, present on the red blood cell, RBC, membrane. Next question. A person with blood group O has. The correct answer is B. No antigens. Group O has no A or B antigens, but has both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Next question. Universal recipient blood group is. The correct answer is D. AB. AB blood group has both A and B antigens on RBCs, but no anti-A or anti-B antibodies in plasma, so they can receive blood from any ABO group. Next question. If a sample of blood shows agglutination with anti-A serum but not with anti-B, the blood group is. The correct answer is A. A agglutination with anti-A serum means A antigen is present on RBCs. No agglutination with anti-B means B antigen is absent. Next question. The process of clumping of RBCs is called. The correct answer is B. Agglutination. Agglutination is the clumping of RBCs that occurs when antibodies react with corresponding antigens, as seen in incompatible blood transfusions. Next question. Lymph differs from blood in having. The correct answer is D. Lymphocytes. Lymph is similar to plasma but lacks RBCs and platelets. It mainly contains lymphocytes, which play a key role in immune responses. Next question. Carbonic anhydrase enzyme is found in high concentration in. The correct answer is C. RBCs. Carbonic anhydrase is abundant in red blood cells, RBCs, and catalyzes the rapid conversion of CO2 and water into carbonic acid, aiding in CO2 transport. Next question. An artificial anticoagulant used in blood banks is. The correct answer is B. Sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is an artificial anticoagulant used in blood banks. It prevents clotting by binding calcium ions, which are essential for the coagulation cascade. Last question. The condition where blood fails to clot normally is. A. Anemia. B. Hemophilia. C. Leukemia. D. Thrombosis. Share your correct answer in the comment before checking. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. See you in the next videos.